Hello, Clear Runner of Dallas, Tesla Model S, full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, XPEL XR Plus, applied to the glass, the sides only, and then the rear windshield with 30% XR Plus. And we're gonna go around the bra here, just paying attention to areas that get wrapped. So no termination here, everything goes in behind the door panel. Even up here on the top of the rear quarter and the rear deck that folds up. Everything is nicely wrapped in, even around these tail lights, all the way around, coming around your wheel wells. There's no lines on top. Coming up here to the A-pillar, wrapped, and coming around the fenders, the doors, all wrapped in. So no termination here at all. Everything on these hoods are wrapped in, and the bumpers are fully wrapped, all the edges coming around. So there we go, a nice clean wrap on a Tesla Model S 2020 Tesla Model S. So if you need us at clearbrownnorthdallas.com, you can reach us there, or at 940-703-8301. Thank you.